Hello. Today we're focusing on the top 5 techniques to follow HIPAA law, privacy and confidentiality of protected healthcare information. Technique 1. Secure communication. Use encrypted communication methods to share sensitive information with medical staff and avoid discussing patient details in public places. Technique 2. Access control. Limit access to patient records only to those involved in their care, respecting the principle of need to know. Technique 3. Proper disposal. Dispose of patient records securely, following established protocols to prevent unauthorized access. Technique 4. Patient consent and verification. Always obtain consent from the patient before sharing any information, and verify their identity to ensure you're communicating with the right individual. Technique 5. Education and training. Stay updated with HIPAA regulations and undergo regular training to keep yourself informed. There you have it, 5 actionable techniques to keep our patients' health information secure. Let's create a culture of trust and respect in medical interpretation. If you found this information valuable, hit the like button, share it, and comment below with your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay tuned for more essential insights on medical interpretation. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, stay committed to excellence in medical interpretation. Goodbye and take care.